Hi, hi, hi. Go see. Rooney, come. Is she not sure where to go? This current's pretty strong.
Sorry for crying on Christmas.
It's okay. It's the best time to do it.
I think it was kind of deserved.
Your cry? Oh, I got one.
Already?
Yeah, look at that.
Careful, don't take my Christmas. Oh, wow. What is that?
It's a bass. I know. You need to scooch. It came off. That sucks.
You have to count it, right?
Nope. Got to get it out of the water. I'm gonna get the net ready. No, that's not. I mean, maybe would have come off anyway.
Oh God, come here. Come here.
It totally ambushed. It came out from right under there. So there's probably more, would be my guess. I wish I had the one. Maybe you can catch that fish that I couldn't catch, although he's probably not there anymore. He probably learned his lesson. I'm gonna leave the net here too, so that if I'm away and you have to catch something, you can try to net it. Awfully close to my line. Yeah? Nice. Just hang on, I'll help. I'm coming. Just keep reeling. Bring him closer. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, nice job. That's awesome.
Woo! Merry Christmas.
That's your biggest bass. Wow. Here, let me. Nice. Good thing I didn't switch off it, huh? Wow, he was barely hooked. Do you want to try holding him, or do you want me to just...
I'm going to take my picture with him.
Okay, and then I'll throw him back in. Ready? Do you want the cigarette in it, or the...
Wait, let me put my phone on.
Hurry, we don't have a lot of time to get him back in. He's going to start flopping, I might drop him. Okay, ready? Here, I'm going to gently try to get him out of here. It's about as good as I could do, guy. Nice. I don't... Got something. Holy crap. That hit it hard. Nope. Whew. Huh? I think so. Good one. It's heavy. Yeah, it's a pretty good largemouth. I'm gonna try to run it back to you because I'd like to get a weight on it. Sorry, my adrenaline's pumping. Oh man, might have him in the gill. Hang on, guy, I'm sorry. Huh? Whew. Man, he choked this thing. Oh, I see. It's just in the meaty part of his neck. Gross. Yuck. Took some meat with it. All right. I'm not going to get a weight. He's not breaking any records. My adrenaline's pumping. All right, guy. Be free. No, don't go this way. Man. That might be a fish. That is a fish. Do you want to come here and try? He might shake me. Yep, they are ambushing there. Geez, he choked it too. Oh, he's chunky. They're eating good today. Coming. Babe? Nice. Catfish? Really? That's crazy. I've never caught one. Rooney, come back, please. That's a fun little carp there. Yeah. You caught it. No, you caught it. That's so fun. Okay, let's see how to do this. They're really slimy. Do you want to hold it or no?
I don't want to touch it.
I don't either.
It's your problem, sir.
Do you want to put gloves on and try to hold them?
I'm not going to touch it at all. No matter what you try to convince me.
Oh, sounded painful, but it wasn't, I assure you. Should we try to eat this?
Oh, you cut his... Oh no, was there a worm on it?
No, that's the hook. You're saying I cut the worm? Oh, you thought that was his whisker?
I thought it was his lips.
Okay,
Yucky.
let's try this. Okay, great.
You got him in the basket. Hi, guys.
Do you want a picture with him?
Yeah.
Good thing he wasn't a big one. Here, hold it up a little bit more.
Wait, I want to dump him in the water. Can I dump?
Yeah, just kind of, you don't have to like actually dump. You could, no. I mean, technically you should kill them. No, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. You're gonna flop them on the ground. No, stop trying to do that. You're gonna, I don't think you want to kill him, but you can. That's so cool.
Merry Christmas.
Very nice. That's very cool.